Hey everybody, I have a Sebring here, 2005, and hose for the windshield wipe washer, windshield wiper fluid for the wipers is broken. It broke up in two places. Anyway, I went to Orchard Hardware Supply, and they have a lot of tubing over there, and they charge like the plastic clear ones are like 39 cents a foot, so if you cheaper to just buy the thing something bigger than this and just put over it. Anyway, I went over there to buy the thing, to buy my tubing, and I found this on the floor, this one by the tubing area. I asked the guy to cut me a tube, and when I found this, I like, hey, this one fits better on this one. Then the guy just like, but we don't carry this line, because I found this on the floor, man. He said he don't carry this one. So I like, okay, just take it, it's yours. So he just gave this to me, so which is cool. So I didn't have to pay anything to get this tube. So what I'm gonna do is see this one. I think this is, I don't know the exact size, but I think this is 3/8. This is 1/4. So it goes in there, and I'm gonna use Gorilla Glue. See, it's pretty snug. So I'm gonna use this Gorilla Glue. I'm gonna use the Gorilla Glue to bond them together, and wait at least 12 hours or 24 to make sure it's secured. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this to length, probably from here to down here. So I'm gonna glue from here to there. Alright, and if it leaks, then I'll just put a zip tie. Alright, so I'm gonna put my camera down and start cutting. Now I'm gonna put glue in here and glue in here. Don't go in there. Doesn't break in the bottom while I'm moving this around. No, I don't want to put glue near the hole over there, because it might clog it. It might have glue in there, then the fluid won't go through. Should be that. This side. Maybe there's a glue that in there now. Maybe I'll just stick it there. That way it doesn't move around. There you go. So there's a glue here. Came up from the hole. So hopefully it stay there. This thing, it sticks to this one here. Then hopefully it won't move around. And that one looks good right there. So I'll wait 24 hours and see what happens. Hopefully it works. Alright, it's been 24 hours since I blew this. Pretty good. See, it's not moving anymore too. So I'm gonna turn the windshield wiper on. Hope there's no leaks. Alright, see, it's wet over there. It's wet. I just use it, and there's no leak here, and no leak down there. So within maybe a month or two, I'm gonna, if it does leak, then I update this video. I'm gonna put a notation on the video itself that if it leaks. If not, then there won't be any notation in the video. Alright, so that's how I fix this windshield wiper hose by just using this I think it's 3/8 tubing, and got for free off stuff. Alright, so that's how I fix it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.